in these four regions. Now, I want to tell you the essence of this military exercise. Soldiers, like we are, will be sent into towns and villages, and they will be going house to house to conduct searching. What are they searching for? They will be searching for weapons. They will be searching for arms and ammunition in the houses and the homes of people. And as they are searching, especially in the southeast, if they find any gun, whether it is den gun, whether it is Oka made, whatever type of gun they found in your house, they will take it. And when they take it, if there is any young man in your house, that young man is going with them, because automatically that young man will become a member of the unknown gunmen that they claim to be looking for. And if care is not taken, that young man is not coming back home again. Now, this military exercise that they're going to carry out, they're going to carry out a mop-up of arms and ammunition. They will go house to house, like I said earlier, to seize any kind of weapon they see in your house, and they will take it. Now, what does this signify to you? Remember that the terrorists in the northeast and northwest, and the Fulanis, so-called headsmen that are scattered all over the country, they are all having their military assault rifles, AK-47, AK-49, even the rocket propellers. They have all kind of weapons, GPMG you can think of. They are parading them everywhere they go, and nobody is saying anything or doing anything about it. But now they will come to you in the southwest, the north central, the middle belt, in the southeast and south to collect the little weapons maybe that you would have used in your own little way to defend yourself in event of any attack by these headsmen. The soldiers will come in there and pick them up, and then they will leave you at the mercy of these Fulani headsmen, because after this exercise, the soldiers will now go, will seize those weapons now and leave, and then the Fulanis will enter. That will be the next step. And when the Fulani enters and you have nothing to defend yourself with, have this at the back of your mind, because that is what is going to happen. Remember, late Dr. Obadiah Melafia had told us that by 2022, and these people are planning, they have perfected their plans to start a civil war in Nigeria. By the time they start this civil war, they are the only ones that has weapons. Your own weapons now have been taken away by the soldiers, so that you will have nothing to defend yourself with, and their Fulani men will come in at ease. Do you get it now? Do you see it now? Do you see what their plans are? So, what do you do now is to prepare your mind. If you have anything in your house that is implicating, you know how to keep it, because they are coming to your house. That is the exercise they are talking about. The military exercise is they'll go from house to house searching for arms and ammunition, and if they find your own, they will take it. So, if you have anyone with you, you know how you keep it, because time will come. In the very short time ahead of us now, you will need it. At least, even before you are killed, you will make noise. With your little weapon in your hand, you can be able to make a little noise before the Fulanis get on you. And God on your side, you can use that weapon to defend yourself, and you will not get killed. So, what are we saying here now is that you, whoever you are, please, I am begging you, As you hear this message, this audio, make sure you send it across to our brothers in the southeast, our brothers in the southwest, our brothers in the north central, and our brothers in the south. Every one of you, wherever you are, be prepared. Know that the evil days are here. There is no point postponing the evil days anymore, because the evil days are here. Whether you like it or not, you might be one of those who pay death